Hey everyone, welcome to Make Money and Wealth. The concept of money can be dated back many thousands of years of recorded human history. Although money has taken many forms around the years, its importance has rarely been lost. Even today, when most of the mankind is living in its best of years, minus COVID of course, money still remains one of the most important things that we aim to achieve. Most of the younger generations around the world are brought up by society with the goal of getting rich and making good money. Even though we are living in the most technologically advanced times ever, most of the people are still figuring out the answer to the question how to make money. In this video, I'll share some of the timeless principles and frameworks that I've learned from some of my idols and from my own experiences. In this video, we'll focus on why you need to make wealth. I truly believe that anyone with a sound body and mind, using these principles and frameworks, can enjoy the financial freedom that they wish for. So without further ado, let's get started. There are many tools to make money, but I think they can be broken down into two major categories. In the first one, you earn by working for someone else. This could be any job, gig, or any work in which someone else gets the first and major piece of the pie, and then it comes to you. Example would be working in any 9 to 5 job for any company or organization. The other category would be earning by working for yourself, your company, your brand, product, or services. Something in which you're the one who makes the most reward for the efforts and work that you've put in. An example would be your own corner store, your small business, even your own lemonade stand. In both of these categories, your reward or money that you earn is closely related to the time and effort that you put in. If you decide to, let's say, take a break for a year or two, you don't have the freedom to do so without negatively impacting your stable flow of cash. Even if you're earning big money by working in a profession that is highly valued by society, let's say doctors and lawyers, if you're still doing that one job in a hospital or a law firm, you're still very much bound to the job and still can't take time off for an extended amount of time. Also, the money that you earn as salary would still won't be enough, as your lifestyle and quality of life creeps up to how much you make. Let's say you decide to work like a maniac and work in both above mentioned categories, working 9 to 5 for someone else and rest of the time working for yourself. Now you're adversely impacting your health and well-being, and for the loved ones around you. Not to mention that this way of making money is not sustainable in the long run. So it becomes quite clear that if you want to be worry-free rich in a sustainable and repeatable way, with freedom to spend your time and money without the constant fear of getting fired or exhausting your money in the bank, and without adversely impacting your health and well-being, you need a better solution. This can be solved by focusing your lens on wealth. Wealth is something that accumulates in value as you sleep. It gives you the freedom to enjoy your life. You're seldom going to be rich by renting out your time. You need to make efforts and let it reward you over a period of time. One way to make wealth is to work in a market that matches with your innate interest and ships out great products that can solve your customer's problem 5 to 10 times cheaper. By setting this challenging goal, you'll be forced to improve and ship out products by reiterating 100 to 1000 times or even more. Much like Thomas Edison with his light bulb, he actually achieved a market feasible product after 1000 or so iterations. This is similar to what Tesla has done in the last 10 years. During the initial phase, the company was not known to many, and the idea of a self-driving car seems difficult to think about, but not impossible. Over the years, with thousands of tests and many iterations, Tesla has delivered its product in the market and is being widely used and appreciated by all. Another way is to buy equity and assets in companies or businesses that gives you 10 times returns. This way you hire someone else to build and sell good products in the market on a price that consumers are willing to pay for. This saves you the actual work in making and selling a product or service. However, this doesn't mean that you don't do anything. You would have to do an extensive amount of research and analysis on the company, their product, their market, company leaders, their vision, goals, financials, assets, capital, intellectual property, and any related information that would make your conviction more than your perceived risk. Your risk is directly proportional to your conviction. More convinced you are with your analysis and research, less risky the investment would seem to you and vice versa. Now, when I think about investing in Tesla, it's more to do with what the company can do in the next 10 years by looking at the past 10 years. I think they have all the right ingredients to be the market leader, and that's what matters to me when thinking about investing in the long run. As always, I'm just sharing my reasoning and thought process behind my investment decisions. I'm not a financial advisor, so you should do your own research and analysis while making investment decisions. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope these principles would guide you and help you earn your financial freedom. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe if you like to be notified for future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.